Today, I'm going to tantalize your taste buds with 3 ingredients. We're going to do a nice, cheesy chicken casserole. While my pan is heating up, let me just take up mushroom, which is one of the main ingredients of this casserole, and just slice it. Once my pan is hot, I'll get in some olive oil and then butter. Time to throw in some garlic. With that, some chopped onion. Let's give it a quick stir. Let me throw in some herbs now. So some fresh thyme, rosemary. Once again, give it a quick stir. And here I've got some bits of shredded boneless chicken. Again, they are not very finely chopped, but they are not very huge chunks as well. Let's toss it up. I'm just putting in my mushroom. So once mushrooms and the chicken are tossed through, so some salt in here now, black pepper. Once I can see the mushrooms and the chicken are done through, I'll put in my spinach. So spinach is what I put in at the last minute. Lovely. While all this is happening, let me start with the sauce that I'm going to use for my casserole. I'll again add some butter to this. So butter's melting here. So some flour, equal ratio of the butter, and let it cook through to the butter nicely. Once that is done, time to put in some milk. And now let it cook through. The minute the sauce comes to a boil, it will start thickening. See, it's immediately started thickening. So this is done. So this is almost done through. I'm just putting in a chopped blanched tomato with the skin removed. This is just to give a slight tang to my casserole. So once all my veggies, chicken is there and my sauce is cooked, I'll just transfer this sauce back to the chicken. Stirring through. So whatever is left now has to happen in the oven. Cracked pepper. Just a hint of mustard sauce. And then if you like it spicy, maybe just 1 fresh red chili chopped. To this, I'm going to add some cream and just 1 egg. So just some grated nutmeg to this. All through this now, mix it through. So the egg also needs to distribute very well along this casserole. How can I forget the cheese? And now into the baking casserole dish straight away. Lovely. So nice basil on top. Some bits of tomatoes once again. No hang-ups with the cheese. Now almost the chicken is cooked. So just 7 to 8 minutes in hot oven, preheated oven, and that's it. You will get a lovely baked chicken casserole. Lovely. Yummy, easy to make. So guys, try this yourself, and for more such lovely recipes, subscribe to Get Curried.